Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Monet Ispat and Energy Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax. This case has been reported in 102 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 29 and the matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT E-Bench. This case has been decided on 25th January 2013. This case is regarding the assessment order passed after the intimation of the assessee that the application for insolvency bankruptcy has been accepted by NCLT and the moratorium period has initiated in respect of the assessee. The facts of the case are a little bit unique and interesting. In this case, a search was conducted on the assessee. Pursuant to that search, assessment under section 153A was done. Some additions were made. Assessee went to the CIT appeal. CIT appeal gave some partial relief. So the assessee was before the ITAT. ITAT remanded the matter to the assessing officer in respect of some issues. When this assessment was pending in respect of the remand back to the assessing officer, at that time the application of insolvency bankruptcy code in respect of the assessee has been admitted by the NCLT and moratorium period was started. Insolvency professional intimated to the assessing officer that according to the section 14 of the Insolvency Bankruptcy Code, moratorium period is there, so the assessment order should not be passed. The department went to the High Court against this NCLT order, but the Delhi High Court gave the decision in favor of the assessee by saying that the moratorium period is also applicable in case of income tax proceedings. But in spite of Delhi High Court order, in spite of intimating by the assessee to the assessing officer passed the assessment orders. Although he should not have passed the orders because moratorium was there. Income tax officer gave two grounds for passing the order. First of all, even after passing the order by the Delhi High Court, assessing officer mentioned in its order that insolvency bankruptcy code moratorium period is not applicable to the income tax proceedings, although it has been decided by the Delhi High Court. The irony is there. And the second reason given by the learned assessing officer was that the department is contemplating to go to the special leave petition against the order of the Delhi High Court. It is a general rule of interpretation that if the High Court has passed the order, if the assessee is before the Supreme Court, so until and unless the stay has been granted by the Supreme Court, the Delhi High Court order will be applicable or the High Court order will be applicable as the case may be. But in spite of all these law points, the assessing officer passed the assessment order. The assessee went to the CIT appeal. CIT appeal upheld the order of the assessing officer and then the assessee moved to the ITAT for the assessment order passed by the assessing officer after the insolvency bankruptcy code moratorium order. ITAT held that the moratorium period is applicable to the income tax proceedings and whatever the assessment order has been passed by the learned assessing officer after the application for IBC has been accepted by the NCLT and the moratorium has been there under section 14 of the IBC, so the assessment order passed by the assessing officer is not valid in the eyes of the law and it is non-est. Friends, this case is very important. In this case, the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of Ghanshyam Mishra and Sons Private Limited versus Edelweiss Asset Reconstruction Company 2021 has been relied on So this case is important for all those cases where the application for IBC has been accepted and the moratorium is there and there are pending income tax proceedings. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Monnet Ispat and Energy Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 102 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 29. The matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT E-Bench and the date of the judgment is 25th January 2023. Thank you friends.